this is how you make yogurt rice. First, you need rice, yogurt, and if you want, you can add some salt. And it's plain yogurt. And you need something to smash the rice. So first, you take the tool you use to smash the rice and you start smashing it. So once you've finished smashing the rice for like around 5 to 10 minutes, it should be well smashed. So then you add some yogurt, and if you want, you can add a teaspoon of yogurt, a teaspoon of salt. But before I like doing that, but before I do that, I'm gonna mix this, and then I'm gonna add salt in the end because I'm gonna give some yogurt rice to my dog without salt. So yeah. Give me a spoon. Give me a spoon. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.